Aquaponics Gardening Basics. Aquaponics is one of the most fascinating ways to grow plants, combining the worlds of gardening and fish keeping into a single system. At its heart, it is a natural cycle. Fish are raised in tanks, and their waste becomes nutrient-rich water that feeds the plants. In return, the plants filter and clean the water, which goes back to the fish, creating a perfect loop of balance. Unlike traditional gardening, aquaponics does not use soil. Instead, plants grow in water-filled beds with support from gravel or clay pellets. This method saves enormous amounts of water compared to normal farming, because nothing is wasted. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and herbs thrive especially well in aquaponic systems, while some systems even produce fruits and vegetables. The fish, whether tilapia, goldfish, or other species, not only support the plants but also bring life and beauty to the setup. Aquaponics can be practiced on small balconies or in large greenhouses, making it flexible for different spaces. It is eco-friendly, sustainable, and highly productive, allowing you to grow food with less effort and fewer resources. At its core, aquaponics reflects nature's design, a partnership where every living being supports the other, creating abundance through harmony.